So how has your year started? I hope it is well. I hope it's phenomenal. 2021 is going to be so great for the life insurance agents on this great planet, whether you are a final expense telesales insurance agent or you're face to face. Let me tell you, lots of opportunity, lots of good things this year. But is your year starting the way that you planned? Let me share with you a couple things that happen. It's called the consequences of distraction. So many distractions will happen in 2021. If it's not one thing, it's going to be another. But let me tell you, do not base, never base your actions on feelings, okay? The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Let me tell you, that is good teaching, but I'm going to share with you that let me tell you how you feel about what you do doesn't mean squat, okay? You need to do the opposite, okay? How you feel about getting on the phones, how you feel about XYZ. I'm telling you, actions, and nothing but actions will determine your future, your destiny, and your success. Nothing else, okay? Massive levels of action. You have to have skill set, a good proper mindset, but let me tell you, if you've got all of that and you lack the basics of action, you're worthless. You will never make it in this industry. I'm just telling you like it is. It is impossible to succeed in the insurance industry without massive and intense levels of action and drive, okay? You got to do the right things at all times. But let me tell you, you've also got to do the basics of things, and that's showing up. You got to get there. You got to just arrive. You got to put your behind in the seat, okay? I'm clocking in at like 15 hours today, and I love what I do. I train and I partner with some of the most amazing agents on this planet, jasonfinalexpense.com. I'm so proud of everyone that I partner with, but let me tell you, even the brand new reps that are training, they train hard, okay? They don't lack a couple things. Let me tell you, they don't lack high levels of action, skill, and training, but they do it themselves. They immerse themselves over and over again and do it right. They do it well, or we do it over again. So this is so important. Your actions when you're on the phone, okay? When you're a face-to-face agent, you got to get your appointments, right? That's crazy important. If you don't have appointments, you don't have a career. So you've got to get on that phone. You've got to master the phone. If you don't master that phone, it's going to master you, okay? When you've got a bad call, don't let it master you, all right? Quit getting your feelings in the way. If you do high levels of action, let me tell you, you're going to feel better, right? You got to kind of embrace the suck. It's kind of like the military, right? Embrace it, get used to it, get your hands dirty, get after it, hustle, muscle, let's go, okay? If you do massive levels of action, you will feel better even if you're more exhausted. All the hours that I've put in the last 2 days, I feel great because I love the folks that I partner with, but more importantly, I love what I do. And some days you may feel like hitting the income reduction button. That's a feeling that's going to do nothing but leave you in a bad place, okay? Don't feed unproductive thoughts, unproductive habits, okay? You got to have purpose over pleasure. Pleasure will come, okay? But it comes after you have fulfilled your purpose, okay? Make sure that as an insurance agent, you fulfill your purpose, but massive levels of action. If your January has not started off in the way that you desire, make sure you're highly skilled using proven power scripts. You've got insane levels of good mentorship from people that truly do what you're trying to do and do it darn well. Crazy valuable to have good mentorship, good training, good coaching, okay? Vet your trainer, everybody. I'm telling you, a lot of people get harmed in the insurance space because they don't take the time to vet who's training them and vet who's mentoring them. Very important, okay? Make sure you're using proven methods, proven scripts, so that you're ready. Make sure you're using good lead systems so that you're ready to engage for the good of your consumer. Your actions, and your skill will determine the future of your 2021. Along with your career, do it right, do it well, and let me tell you, do it over and do it over and do it over and over again, you will have consistent results. You will have consistently happy clients that adore what you do for them because you listen to them, but because you didn't give up. Don't give up, you guys. People need you. People need you. People need you. Love on them, take care of them, bring them great solutions from A-rated carriers, but have high levels of action to succeed in 2021. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Do not let your feelings ever get in the way, okay? You want to feel better about yourself? Work harder. You want to feel better about what you do, okay? What you're doing today. If you're a face-to-face life insurance agent, a face-to-face Medicare insurance agent, guess what you need to do? Get on that phone. Get on that phone and get on that phone. If you're a door knocker, you got to get them knuckles going, okay? See that? That's from cleaning a gutter. It's horrible. Wasn't fun. But guess what? Get over it. Let's go. Saddle up. Go knock some doors. If you're a face-to-face agent, go knock some doors. Go get in front of people. Go take care of their needs. Now, a better way, in my professional opinion, okay, to handle insurance is by the second greatest invention that was ever, okay, made. Other than the light bulb, it's the telephone. Telesales will allow you to capitalize on opportunity, time, and meet more needs in a more consistent fashion. You're not going to have anything, okay, to deal with other than getting on that phone every day. If you can get a client that'll pick up the phone, or a potential client, a prospect, and they can say hi to you, you know, you can actually meet their need accordingly. Do it right over the phone. Don't even leave your office. It's phenomenal, okay? So instead of getting no-showed, driving all over the place, spending 2 hours here, 2 hours there, lots of windshield time. And there's nothing against that, you guys. Thanks for working so hard doing that. I just look at it like the face-to-face side of the industry. For someone like me and my agents that partner with me that are so successful doing telesales, it's really like an income-reducing activity for us to go face-to-face because we're so good doing this over the phone. So if we can get so many sales in a minimal amount of time just by dialing instead of driving and getting the wear and tear on the cars and, you know, all this back and forth time, just driving all over the planet, getting no-showed. Because you guys, even if you're the best appointment setter on the planet, you will get no-showed, okay? As a telesales agent, the worst thing that happens is somebody hangs up on us. We can deal with that, okay? But being a face-to-face agent, you've got a lot more, okay, miles on your car, a lot more expenses that way. Where a telesales agent, we're blessed without having to worry about that. But please, 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 as you start your 2021, remember massive, massive levels of action. It will determine your future. It will determine your destiny. Don't base your actions based on feelings. I want you to reverse this in your mind. Reverse it in your business plan. Get your feelings out of the way. Get your hustle muscle engaged. Have a great day, you guys. I hope this serves you well. I hope it helps. But get after your 2021. If January, your first week, did not start according to plan, guess what? Change your plans. Get after it. Put the extra hours in. Put the extra time in, the grind in, so that you can succeed, not only for yourself, but most importantly, for your client. Have a good one, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Let's take care of people tomorrow. It's Friday.